Fiber network services, how they benefit businesses? Fiber network services offer a wide range of benefits for businesses. They are reliable, secure, and scalable, making them the perfect choice for companies that need to transmit large amounts of data quickly and efficiently. Advantages of getting fiber optic internet. Fiber optic internet is a great way to connect with the internet directly. This type of internet uses glass, lasers, and light pulses to transfer data at ultra-fast speeds. Perhaps the most exciting thing about this internet service is that it has hardly any limitations. Here are some benefits. Fiber optic internet is virtually limitless. Since it has no limitations, fiber optic internet can provide you with what you want, fast speeds and the capacity to handle more data. This type of service is genuinely best for people who love using the internet or having online access. It offers high amounts of security. This type of internet has top-of-the-line security, which is always ideal. It not only protects your network but also allows for more accessibility. Fiber optic internet is very reliable. Fiber optic internet offers stable connections. The connection never cuts out on you unless there's an issue with the provider itself. This type of service is what you want if you need fast speeds, a secure connection, and various features. Fiber optic internet is safe for the planet. Fiber optic technology does not rely on gas or oil, so it doesn't harm the environment in ways that other types of the internet could. It's a great way to get online and protect the planet simultaneously. If you want to be on the cutting edge of internet service, fiber optics is a must. Contact us today. Visit our website, houseofit.ph.